Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about these tools that are very useful and effective in construction projects. Take a look. Both of them are level tools, so you can level any surface. Okay then, let's go. I will start with this tool. As you can see, it's a level tool. Look at that bubble in the middle. When it's in the middle, it means that our surface is leveled. It also has this section that is useful for leveling a vertical surface like this. You should look at this. And the third bubble is used for leveling 45-degree angles. That's specified in that section. So, this is a very old and handy device that is very useful in construction projects. But today I'm going to talk about another device that I have here, and it's called the Laserlevel. This device has two buttons for measuring horizontal and vertical surfaces, and it has two glasses in front of the device to shoot the laser. It also has a button for turning on and off, which has two modes, one for turning the lights on and the second for measuring the level. As you see, the device will start beeping until I put it on a place that's exactly leveled. So this is the tool we are going to talk about today. But if you want to learn more about this old device, you can click on the link I put up here or down the description. Okay, this tool has two laser glasses and two buttons that are placed for measuring horizontal and vertical surfaces. Here at the bottom of the device you can see a hole that you can attach a camera tripod or its built-in tripod that I have here, and you can see how I can attach it from the bottom. It also has two magnets that placed in the bottom of the device, and you can attach it to any iron surfaces like this. For example, let's attach this to this surface. So this way you can hang it from the ceiling and turn it on to level the different surfaces with that. Perfect. Alright. Now I'm going to show you how to use this device to examine if our ceiling is leveled correctly or not. And it's a perfect tool to measuring that kind of things. I will also use this old device alongside it to check the accuracy of the Laserlevel. But our main tool is the Laserlevel itself. With this tool, I will show you how you can level the floor so that you can put tiles on it. It's very important that the surface is leveled before tiling or even cementing, because if our floor is not leveled, we will have many problems with tiling and other things. So I will try to talk about that topic too. Let's go. Alright friends, one of the surfaces that we can use the Laserlevel tool for is leveling the rebar frames before plastering. These sections you see are welded for creating hidden lights and LED lights, and they must be leveled to have a uniform ceiling. That's why a firm and strong welding is done so that it can hold the plaster inside it and be completely level and smooth on the whole surface. The level must be done precisely to give the house a beautiful look. So, as you can see, we have installed the Laserlevel on the ceiling, and it has a 180-degree rotation capability. As I told you before, there is a sensor inside the device and it will stop the beeping when it's leveled correctly. Okay, let's check this work. And so if it's leveled with this line or not. So the laser lines are leveled with the rebars and the work is done perfectly in this section. I will check the other side too. Okay, that's fine, and I can see the light on my hand and it's perfectly aligned with the rebars. So okay, that's perfect. Now at this point we can see the problem that has risen. The level is not observed and our level goes off the rebar. So this rebar is incorrectly welded and this is an execution error that must be told to the welder to fix it. By using this device we found this problem and we will ask the welder to fix it. Alright friends, as you saw, we were able to find the problem and fix it by using the right tool. So now we have a uniform sealing so that we don't have any problem with plastering and we have a good surface to work on. Well, finally you can see that after doing the things we have mentioned before, we have a uniform and a smooth surface on which the plastering and lighting have been done perfectly. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.